The Election Commission of India (ECI) will announce a schedule for the Lok Sabha polls as well as assembly elections for some states on Saturday, March 16 at 3 p.m. The announcement will be streamed live on social media platforms of the ECI. As per media reports, the Lok Sabha elections are likely to be held in 7 phases. The poll body will also announce dates for assembly elections in Odisha, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. The election schedule announcement will set the stage for a high-pitched political battle between the BJP-led NDA and the loosely stringed joint opposition bloc India, which is led by the Congress Party. The Model Code of Conduct, which bars the government in power from announcing any new policy decisions, comes into effect immediately after the announcement. The term of the present Lok Sabha ends on June 16 and a new house has to be constituted before that. Last time the Lok Sabha polls were announced on March 10 and held in 7 phases beginning April 11. The results were declared on May 23.